Hey everyone, Gil here, Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for today, we're going to talk about protecting yourself and your preps by getting others prepared. In other words, you want to get everybody you know prepped so they're not coming after your stuff. All right, so it's basically it's sort of like a being selfish by sharing or insurance against people going to the dark side. If you can get your family members, anybody that knows that you are prepping, to go ahead and start prepping themselves, even a little bit, get them started, get them going, and then develop sort of like I want to put this, a unofficial network that let them know, hey, if you spot something on sale, let me know. And that way, when they spot something on sale, they let you know. You then let everybody else know that you're trying to get prepped. That way, they go, oh wow, that's on sale. Okay, I'll go get something. I'm going to get a couple extra cans of refried beans. I'm going to go get some cans of tomato sauce, or I'm going to go get some pasta down to $1 a pound again finally. So you want to try to get as many people prepped that you can, for several reasons. One, they're not coming after your stuff and taking the food out of your family's mouth. Two, they have stuff already, they're prepared, and now you have several people that are prepared. You guys can band together to help protect each other. You're making sort of like a community support group, assistance group, that's it. It's called the CAG, it's a Community Assistance Group. It's not an official one. It has no bylaws. Nobody's got to have rules stuff to belong to it. You're just a bunch of people that are getting prepared, that know each other, and are going to help each other out when you can. So that's the idea behind this, is to try to get as many people prepped that you can so that they have their own supplies, they leave you and your supplies alone, and they come over and help you if you have a problem. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, skills, and share the upcoming playlist I'm going to put up here out to these people so they know how to get prepared too. All right? See you around, because this winter's going to be bad.